Hello everybody, welcome to our market report. Today we're Thursday, September 27. Today folks, we had a market rebound. A market rebound simply because Spain finance minister came out today with a budget proposal that exceeded the recommendations of the UE. So what does that mean? That means that simply if ever Spain would like to submit for a bailout, well then they won't have to go through the political difficult route of accepting the European Union conditions. So this is only a plan, of course. You know that Spain already has a lot of problems to pass through some reforms that it agreed on earlier. There's a lot of riots going on in Spain right now, but this plan has excited investors and we have seen a big rebound on the markets. That has created good opportunities to buy some stocks that are leaving the oversold situation, heading toward the overbought situation. So you can get in on those stocks. I'm going to show you a list a little bit later. And in terms of for how long should you hold on to the stocks, well, you have to hold them for a short period of time, because if you look at the situation of the market in general, we're only making a rebound and the top is pretty near. Let's take a look at the SPY for instance. So this is an upward trend. Today it has the rebound that we have after testing that support. You know the top is around here at 147.58. So there's no problem if you get in those stocks I'm going to show you on that are oversold, that are helping the SPY to make this movement, but are about 147. That's where you should take some profit on those stocks. And also never forget to put your stop loss. So let's take a look at those stocks together. First of all, we have Peabody Energy. Technically speaking, the stock after testing this trend is getting back up. So you have to be ready to play a cycle on that stock. You know, the stock already did a cycle of about $2 here. Now we could expect the same cycle, technically speaking, on that stock for Peabody Energy. But also, if we look at Peabody Energy for the stochastics, the 933 stochastics are showing us that, yes, we are leaving the oversold situation. But I also added another indicator, which is the moving average convergence histogram. So whenever you see this histogram, the volumes are decreasing here, that shows you that the selling pressure is kind of easing. So I'm just going to make a zoom to show it to you. So you see here, so this is the volume. So the more you see the volumes going down, that shows us that the pressure is on the downside. But that what makes us confirm that the entry point is good is that not only we have the stochastics that are starting to head up towards the overbought situation, you see both of them cross each other, but also the volumes you see here are showing that seems to be more volume on the upside, because look at the stochastics here, the histogram here is actually higher than the one of yesterday. So this is a sign that this entry point on Peabody Energy is good. Same thing for MGM Mirage. The moving average convergence histogram is showing the same thing too. It's actually lower than the one previously, and we're leaving the oversold situation on the stochastics. So we have a bunch of stocks, including Bank of America, same pattern, also for the stochastics and also for the moving average convergence divergence histogram. Same thing for Freeport McMoran, same thing for Valero Energy, and also same thing for Nuance Communications. And the last one is Informatica, which is totally leaving its oversold situation, testing an important upward trend, and you see that the moving average histogram is actually lower than the one it was previously before. So this is the list where you can shop around on the stocks that are actually leaving the oversold situation. So yes, you can get into those stocks, but you have to be in for the short term. Whenever you see that, for example, the market's reaching the top, take some profits on those stocks. So today on September 27, yes, there are some opportunities to benefit from the important market rebound that they experienced today on the Spain announcement. So see you next week for our next market report. To learn more about us, go to decisionplus.com on the section free trial to try marketguru.tv.